We bought this Canopia balanced greenhouse from Palram online. It cost us £580, but we did pay extras for the workbench and shelves inside. Now I'm pretty good with instructions, Lego, IKEA, but look at this, this is like the Yellow Pages. Wider than all that.
So do you know what you're doing now with the window?
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
For video, yes. If you turn it off, no. Hold on, there's a slight leak in this greenhouse. Just have a look from this side. We started building this greenhouse, 8 by 12 foot greenhouse, 3 days ago, and as you can see we laid a foundation or a decking area, which I'm really proud of actually, second time. And then in 2 days of sun over Easter we put the greenhouse up, but the only thing we struggled with was the window, so we left that because it got late, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's raining quite a lot today. We've got a little damp area. Oh, and have a look at this. Bird decided to fly in and just decide to poo on our door, which we also haven't installed, so that's what we've got left today. Hopefully we'll get it done. And we are missing a piece, the bit that goes across here. We need to write to the company, so you know, things aren't straightforward anyway, but when they don't send you the correct stuff, it's a bit of a pain. Push that in and then
Yeah.
force that in.
It's not too hot today, sweetie, is it?
No, it's not. The shorts on is today. I mean, that doesn't do anything. That just gives it less room to click into.
Take it out then, sweetie.
Well, I
Take-
can't now. I've wedged it in.
Oh, okay.
So I need a nail or something. That's what this bit's for. It's the next weekend now, so we're coming to finish it. And what's after lunch, I'm doing these just to keep the roof secure. We're still missing this bit. Hopefully that will be arriving in the next week. And while it's nice, we decided to bring some tables and chairs in to our little home and have some lunch. I've done the wrong one first. That's it. That's it. What are you planting?
Lettuce, but then these are marigolds because pests don't like marigolds.
Pests like me?
Yeah.
I quite like marigolds.
They smell funny, smell them.
Smell funny, okay, let's have a nice smell. Well, They look pretty, don't they?
Yeah, they look nice, they'll flower.
Oh, that's good.
And that'll perk
So
up.
we've got 3 of those for the greenhouse.
4.
4.
We bought 4.
Oh yeah, we did. We went
We're going to put
impulsive.
some tomatoes in some and not put the legs on. And then grow them up the middle of the greenhouse.
Brilliant. And I'm just putting on these, what do you call them? Support. That's the word, support. And I need to fix the windows as well.
Yeah.
Got an automatic window opener. We're getting there.
And some shelving to go up.
And some shelving. Thanks, boss. Yep.
Have we just got 2 more of those? Yeah. Nearly there, nearly ready to put everything in. Gosh, it's warm in here now.
Really warm. We need to get a thermometer.
Ooh.
That one there. Be down to the underwear for the next one, I think. So if you want to record that.
No. Perfect.
One more, and then I need to just screw round the end of these and
Perfect.
move you in. Come on, Helga. She doesn't need help with that. It's got 1 ton of soil in, but it's okay. What are those? What plants?
So we've got some spinach and rocket, and then some lettuce, and then aubergines here because last year the aubergines got eaten by the squirrel. So
Nice.
they're coming in.
Yep.
Lettuce is in there with some spring onions because pests don't like the spring onions. And then I've got the tomato bed, and that's
yeah.
going to come in the middle but on the floor.
Right.
And we'll put some stakes up to grow it up. And then there's strawberries in the hanging baskets, which will then hang
Okay.
from the ceiling.
Well, you're only short. I'm 5'9". Am I going to bang my head?
Just watch where you're going.
I've already walked into these about 5 times and I just put them up.
So nothing will eat them. Because last year the
I will.
blackbirds did. They pinched them all before we picked them. So I don't think the blackbird will come in here. So
Right.
you'll have to
You
hold
okay,
it there.
Shorty?
No.
No.
That
Right.
one on there. And this one on here. We have got one more actually. We could put all 3 up.
This one's light. Oh no, you're holding it.
Okay. Good. They've actually got flowers on as well.
Oh, nice.